Hello guys, in this video we are going to create our React app for our to-do app. So we can create the React app by command npx create React app. Then you can provide the directory name. I'll provide client, and the process will take several minutes, so I'm going to skip that part. Now we have created our React app. Let's check what's inside. So there are several folders and files created. There is a public folder, there's a source folder, and we don't need all of these, so I'm going to delete some. Let's go inside the source folder and we can delete app.css and this, and we can also delete these last three. We only need app.js and index.js. Let's go inside index.js. We can remove that part, and here this one as well. So we can remove this CSS file. I'm going to remove this strict mode. So if you like, you can keep it. Otherwise, you can remove it as me. Next, go into our app.js. I'm going to remove this whole thing, and I can delete that logo. So I'm going to first import browser router route from the React router DOM. Then I'm going to create a browser router, and inside that I'm going to create a div, and inside that I'll create my routes. At this point I'll add a route for the path just slash, and here I need to provide an element. So I need to create an element first. I'm going to create a directory called pages, and inside that I'm going to create home.jsx. Before writing anything in this file, I have to first install a few packages. So let's go to the MUI page, and I'll put the link in the description as well, and you have to copy this and go to your terminal, and you have to be sure that you are in the React app. Inside the React app, then you can paste this, and it will install the packages that are needed to use MUI in your React app. We have now installed all those, so we can start coding. I'm going to import CSS baseline, then I'm going to import box, then I'm going to import typography. All these three are imported from MUI material. Next I'm going to create home. Here we need to return something. I'll add CSS baseline. Then I'll add a box. Also provide some style height. I'll give the value 100 visual height. Then I'll add a typography. I'll make it a H3 one. I'll provide the text as home. Then at last I'm going to export this home. Then let's go to our app.js. Here we don't need this CSS file, and I'm going to import our home from the pages. Then as the element I'll pass home. So at this point we can start our app. I'm going to run it by entering. So let's open HTTP localhost 3000. And there is an error saying can't resolve React router down. So there is a module not found error. That means we haven't installed React router down. So I'm going to install React router down. So let's run our React app again. And let's go to the web page and restart. So there's something wrong because you can't see the home text. Let's find what has gone wrong. So I found what has gone wrong. The error has occurred with the way we passed our home to this element. We have to pass home like this. So now you can see the home text appeared in our web page. That means the React app working correctly at this point. Next, I'm going to create a directory called components, and inside that I'm going to create navbar.jsx. Here I'm going to import link from our React router DOM. Then I'll import app bar, then toolbar, then typography from MUI material. Then I'm going to create navbar. Here I'm going to return. I'll add an app bar first, and I'll provide position as static. Inside our app bar, I'm going to create a toolbar. Here I'm going to add a typography H6, and inside that I'm going to provide a link, and I'll provide the text for that as my to do. And at last I'm going to export our navbar, and in the app.js file I'm going to import navbar. Then in the inside the browser router and before the div I'm going to add this navbar, and then I'm going to save this, and now our app is running, and we can open our web page. So you can see we have the navbar, and we have my to do link, and we have our home page. So that's for this video, guys. Hope you guys learned something. If so, please consider to like and subscribe to my channel. So see you guys in next video. Thank you. Bye.